Hey guys, it's Jake Hall, the Manufacturing Millennial. It's day 12 of the Working From Home series, and I hope you guys are having a great day. So one of the products I'm going to talk to you guys about today is one of my favorite inductive sensors, and this is the Contrinex DW-AS-63A. It's a IP68, IP69K certified 40mm by 40mm housing that has a 20mm sensing range. And with this demonstration, I'm going to be showing off Banner's K50 Pro, which can be programmed with a bunch of different status indications that all you have to do is have a PMP signal to trigger its state. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to zoom in so you can see some of the components I'm testing up close. But as always, guys, I hope you have a great day. Flatten the curve with me, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Alright, so I got the DW-AS mounted here with the Banner Pro K50 in the back. Just as a reference, I get a little over 1 inch of material right here. This is just the foam we're looking at. But I'm going to set this guy on top just to give us some spacing, and I have a beer can opener that we normally laser mark set on top there, and you can see we get a pretty good reading range, looking through material to get that distance. But what I really like about this is some of the other stuff where here's a nice little metal spring. It's a retaining spring. I could take that, I'll put a piece of foam back on it and set that on here, and we get a nice viewing range on that guy. Now we can move the smaller components. Here's an automotive screw. We get pretty good reading range even looking through. Here's just some paper I got, but being able to read through that material here is definitely a good sensing distance. And one of my favorites is even smaller components. Here's a small little nail right here. Being able to take that and pick that guy up with no problem, move him across it, is definitely one of the reasons why this is one of my favorite sensors. Well, there you go, guys. There's a couple demos I could do in my basement. Oh, and then one more. Here's a guy. This is a snippet of a nail head. You can see that on the point of my finger here. One of my favorite guys as well, being able to put him back in this bin. Being able to read up those really small metal components that you can't see otherwise. Alright, there you go, guys. Have a good one.